Hello! This is wonderful Minato River on Yakushima Island, and only place on Earth where you can find this plant. Well, don't be disappointed. It's one of the most wonderful plants. Yes, this is a demonstration of wonderful power of adaptation applied to the plant body. Plant is flowering. Flowering plant. It flowers in a full time when water is much lower. Today I am a bit unlucky because there is a rain and also high level of water. So you don't see the plant very well. But this is a flowering plant, moss-like or even alga-like flowering plant, adapted to what? To these very, very powerful streams, to this stone and very high, very speedy water environment. So this is a representative of family Podostemaceae, Hydrobryum, the plant which has one endemic species on Yakushima Island, grows right here. Actually, in Japan, this is appreciated, and you can see big label which show you the way to that particular spot. And spot is, yes, of course, it is protected. So this wonderful Podostemaceae changed everything which belongs to typical plant. So they don't have no leaves, no roots, no stems, but they have flowers and fruits. So this is only trace of their flowering plant origin. And of course, the placement of the family was a miracle for the long time. They place it almost everywhere. Well, with the molecular tools, we know now that Podostemaceae is a highly, radically modified variant of St. John's wort. They close enough to Hypericum. So, but they actually adapted to get very interesting subtropical and tropical location. They only grow in tropics, but in tropics of all three continents. In South America, in Africa, in Asia, Podostemaceae, in this stone-like floor of very speedy rivers are more or less common. They not very, very widespread, and it's hard to find them. And as you see, they are very small. Sorry for the high level of water. I can only show you how they look from above. So these plants are amazing and wonderful example of the power of adaptation among plants. Well, what is also interesting, in Africa, there is completely unrelated family which is close enough to hydrangeas, but they also adapted in the same way, also modified their body in the same way, called Hydrobryum. So this is two examples among flowering plants, Podostemaceae and Hydrobryum, two families which adapted to grow here. And of course they need a sun, because under the water the amount of sun is low, and they need a sun to photosynthesize, so they typically occur in a kind of in the middle of the streams. This in Yakushima, they work, they grow more or less well, but only on one river, at least so far discovered here. So today is June 12th. As you see, even under the cover of trees, I feel a bit of rain. It's a monsoon season is about to start, and river is high enough, but still possible to see these plants. Again, Podostemaceae, the only one species of Podostemaceae on Yakushima, Japan, on June 12th. Thank you very much.